Sige, pas. Frog? Sige na, frog.
It's a frog egg. This is right to the tackle.
Ah, grabe po. Sige, come here.
Oh, it tackles.
Oh, very good. Ay, unsa ni dala nimo?
It tackles. Look, the heart.
Hark?
Can you go and buy tackles?
Ah, thank you.
Looks like frog.
Frog, ah, may frog.
Ito na.
Asa?
May water.
Ah, di mo na, frog. Waya mo na.
Sige.
Unsa ni na?
Wait lang ha.
Wait lang, sige daw, look daw. Sige.
Oh,
Buaya?
frog eggs.
Ay, frog eggs. Nade, frog ang eggs. Ay, chicken siguro na. Unsa ni na?
May frog eggs that hatch.
Ay. What is that? What is the color of frog?
Made of green.
Green? Green.
This one. Made of. Wait.
Where?
This na lang ano.
Cloud man siguro na. I-draw si Mamo bi kay magkuan dre, mag-work dre si Mamo.
Nasa bag yan yung bag.
Ay, ballpen bi, get a bag. Ay, ballpen.
Ako hold it.
Hold sa, hold.
Ako.
Sige, hold draw Mamo ha. Nang beautiful ha. This one oh, kanang ballpen eh. Kanang color naman. Yeah, wait lang. Okay. I-draw si Mamo. Okay. Faster. Wait lang. Oh, grabe draw. You become a farmer, oh?
No. What is it?
Why? Do you like farmer? Why?
Because I love it.
Ay, I love it, yung farmer. Very good. Amo ha?
Really, I draw the girl like her farm.
Ay, unsam na di sa farm? Oh, grabe oh. No, look.
This one they look like a farmer girl.
No. Asa man lan ana? No.
I need to go.
Ngay, kalkag man akong buhok dira oy.
I think I'll go. It's mine. I will close it. I'll close it.
Yawa po rin bataan eh. Papa is... Sige, tawag anak Kyle.
Papa is guarding the seats.
Ay, Papa is guarding
The seat.
the seat.
Oh.
What kind of seat?
Seat is
down?
gonna grow.
I grow. Hello, Kadoy. This is Kyle Basa. This is a little farmer. Are you happy? Why?
Because I love it.
Oh, I love it, my farmer. Really? You love farmer? Farmer is very beautiful. Oh, grabe. It's very strong, oh. Oh, grabe. Di ba basta ng farmer na mo dito? Oh, may gay mong kuan ha? Tiili mo. Oh!
Wait, where is he?
Where's Missy?
No, it's Ogo.
Uy, naunsa man yung farmer na. Nag-isip na yung mong kuan, oh. Oh, grabe yung farmers. Oh, very good. Maning bataan ni ay. Oh. Exercise man na.
Yup.
Yup. Oh, grabe. Basta-basta yung farmers na mo. Dili, oh. Little farmers. Are you okay? Oh,
Not good.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Lolo. Hello. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Ha 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 ha. Bakit ka nandito? Ha ha ha.